Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 cars on the road has a suspension problem, and most drivers don't even realize it? That's right. A bad suspension doesn't just make your ride uncomfortable, it messes with your steering and can even make your car dangerous to drive. If your car feels like a bouncy castle every time you hit a bump or produce strange noise, it means your suspension is heading to a costly repair that could have been avoided. But here's the good news. In this video, we are going to uncover 10 secret tips that can make your suspension last forever, or at least way longer than most people think. So, if you want a smooth ride, better handling, and to avoid expensive repairs, stick around and watch video till end. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Avoid potholes and drive smoothly. How you drive plays a huge role in the lifespan of your suspension. Every time your vehicle hits a pothole or speed bump at high speeds, the impact is absorbed by the suspension system. Sudden jolts can damage shocks, struts, control arms, and even wheel bearings. Over time, repeated impact stress weakens suspension components, causing premature failure. To protect your suspension, slow down when approaching speed bumps, and try to avoid potholes whenever possible. Driving carefully over rough roads also helps prevent misalignment, which can lead to uneven tire wear and handling issues. A cautious driving approach can go a long way in preserving your suspension system and saving you from costly repairs. Tip number 2. Use high-quality suspension parts. Do you know your suspension is only as good as the parts you put into it? A lot of people try to save money by buying the cheapest shocks, struts, or bushings they can find. That's a big mistake. Cheap parts wear out quickly, don't absorb shocks properly, and can even break under stress, leading to expensive repairs. Always choose for OEM parts or high-quality aftermarket brands that have a proven track record of durability. Investing in premium parts also improves handling, ride comfort, and overall safety. A well-built suspension system reduces stress on other vehicle components, preventing unnecessary wear and tear. While the initial cost might be higher, the long-term savings in maintenance and repairs make high-quality parts the better choice. Tip number 3. Balance and rotate your tires. Unbalanced tires cause vibrations that not only make driving uncomfortable, but also increase wear on your suspension. When tires are not balanced, they create excessive strain on shocks, struts, and wheel bearings. Over time, this can lead to premature suspension wear and even steering issues. Tire rotation ensures even wear on all 4 tires, preventing excessive strain on one side of the suspension. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or as recommended in your owner's manual. Balancing should be done whenever you install new tires or notice unusual vibrations at certain speeds. If you found these tips helpful, then subscribe this channel for more car-saving tips. Keep coming. Let's move to the next important tip. Tip number 4. Check your suspension system regularly. Suspension problems don't happen overnight. They build up slowly. That's why a lot of people don't notice them until their car feels like a boat on rough seas. Therefore, routine inspections are essential for identifying early signs of suspension wear before they turn into costly repairs. A failing suspension system often exhibits symptoms like uneven tire wear, excessive bouncing after hitting bumps, or strange clunking noises. Check your shocks and struts for leaks, as hydraulic fluid leakage indicates they are worn out and need replacement. Having your suspension checked during routine maintenance or at every oil change ensures that minor issues are addressed before they become major problems. Ignoring suspension problems can lead to further damage to your tires, steering system, and even your car's frame. Tip number 5. Maintain proper tire pressure. Most people don't realize that improper tire pressure is slowly killing their suspension. If your tires are underinflated, Your suspension has to work harder to absorb impacts, wearing out your shocks and struts faster. Overinflated tires, on the other hand, don't absorb enough shock, transferring all the impact straight to your suspension. Check your tire pressure at least once a week, and always keep it at the manufacturer's recommended PSI. You can usually find this information inside the driver's door or in your owner's manual. Keeping your tires properly inflated not only protects your suspension, but also improves fuel economy and handling. Tip number 6. Don't overload your car. Your vehicle's suspension is designed to handle a specific weight limit, and exceeding it can lead to premature failure of shocks, springs, and control arms. Carrying excessive weight for extended periods compresses the suspension, reducing its ability to absorb shocks properly. This not only leads to a rougher ride, but also increases wear on tires and brakes. Always check your car's gross vehicle weight rating in the owner's manual and avoid exceeding it. Tip number 7. Replace worn-out bushings and ball joints. Bushings and ball joints are essential components that connect suspension parts and allow smooth movement. Over time, rubber bushings wear out due to heat, friction, and exposure to road debris, leading to excessive play in the suspension system. Ball joints, which connect control arms to steering knuckles, also wear out and can create dangerous handling problems if they fail. If you hear creaking or knocking sounds when turning or going over bumps, it's a sign that the ball joints or bushings need to be replaced. Many vehicles have grease fittings for ball joints, so regular lubrication can extend their lifespan. Replacing bushings with polyurethane alternatives can provide longer durability and better handling performance. Here's a pro tip. Whenever you change your shocks or struts, check your mounts and bushings too. Worn-out mounts can cause new shocks to wear out faster, wasting your money. Tip number 8. Wash the underbody of your car. Dirt, mud, and road salt can build up on suspension components, leading to corrosion and premature failure. Rust is a major enemy of suspension parts, as it weakens metal components and makes them prone to cracking or breaking. Regularly washing the undercarriage, especially during winter months, removes corrosive salt and debris that can shorten the lifespan of your suspension system. A pressure washer or hose with an undercarriage attachment is ideal for thoroughly cleaning hard-to-reach areas. If rust is already forming, applying a rust inhibitor or protective coating can prevent further damage. Keeping your suspension clean not only improves its lifespan, but also enhances ride quality and overall vehicle performance. Tip number 9. Lubricate suspension components. Some suspension parts require regular lubrication to function properly and avoid premature wear. Components like ball joints, tie rod ends, and control arm bushings often have grease fittings that allow for lubrication. Without proper lubrication, these parts experience increased friction, leading to faster wear and reduced performance. Using a high-quality grease designed for automotive suspension components can significantly extend their lifespan. It's a good habit to check for grease fittings during routine maintenance and apply fresh grease where needed. Lack of lubrication can cause parts to become stiff, making steering feel heavy and reducing ride comfort. If your vehicle's suspension components are sealed and do not have grease fittings, ensure they are inspected regularly for wear. Tip number 10. Add shock boots or sleeves. Shock absorbers play a vital role in your car's suspension system by controlling the movement of the springs and keeping your ride smooth. However, they can become damaged over time due to exposure to dirt, debris, and road salt, leading to quicker wear and reduced performance. One of the simplest ways to protect your shock absorbers is by adding shock boots or sleeves. Shock boots or sleeves provide a barrier, preventing dirt, debris, and moisture from coming into contact with the shock absorber's piston rod. By keeping the shock clean, you reduce the risk of damage and prolong its lifespan. That's it for this video. Follow these tips, and your car's suspension will stay strong for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit bell icon for more car-saving secrets. Have you any question or tip? Drop in the comment section. See you in the next video.